All right, what am I looking at? What era is that from?
That's a Jaeger. It's we never figured out the year of that, did we? We figure it's the early 20s.
Early 20s. Where's see where the water goes? So what's the water used for? To cool the engine, right?
Yeah.
And it just drips down to cool, right?
Basically, it encompasses the cylinder itself, so it circulates on its own between when it gets hot, it just raises to the top.
And the fuel is where?
The fuel tank underneath in the cab.
Underneath, yeah.
Inside the cab.
So like a gallon tank or half-gallon tank, something like that?
Probably about a half, yeah, a little better.
And it'll probably run all day on a load like that, but...
With no load on it,
yeah. Wow. That's efficient. And it's diesel fuel, right?
That's gasoline.
Oh, gasoline?
Yep.
Wow, super. Takes a lot of care to keep them in shape, I guess. But it's got to be fun, though.
It is fun, and really won't do a whole lot until something breaks.
Yeah, I like
a gasket. Case in point.
Awesome.
It's been a lot of fun.
Oh, yeah. Great seeing it run. Thank you.
No, you're welcome.
Drive this into the woods, you pick up a log, you put it on here, and then you cut the log. See the handle here? See this handle? The whole thing comes back. Put the log on it, push it up, you cut the log.
Got the little screw on top of it, little nut, and the spring.
Oh, okay,
that's
yeah.
your governor right there.
So
and that's how you adjust it on top.
So it must be moving up or down. And
right.
Then when it moves to a certain point, it triggers the ignition.
Right. It pushes over on the cam rod over there to push up and trigger on the ignition to create spark.
Oh my God.
And see, it lifts up the exhaust valve and everything.
Oh my God.
They're simple once you figure them out.
Yeah.
But it's figuring them out's the hard part because every one of them's different.
Yeah.
We got like 30 engines.
Yeah, I see the vertical one over there. I've not really seen
that was
one
my
of those.
first engine.
Yeah.
That's Fuller Johnson, but it was made for the Baltimore Cooper's company for pumping water. And they only made a couple of them.
Right.
And there's mine and the one at the Fuller Johnson Museum in Wisconsin, the only two that they know to exist right now. We actually got a hold of the great-great-granddaughter of Fuller Johnson. And she certified it and everything.
Really?
Just did that recently. I had it all my life and never knew much about it.
So this guy right now is not running under load. He's running at low idle, right?
Right.
How many times is that cylinder going on cycle before it hits?
It all depends. I mean, you're probably looking at like 15, 20 times.
Yeah,
like that.
before it hits, yeah.
That's why they call them hit and miss.
So when you put it under load, does it hit every time?
Close, depending on how hard the load is.
Yeah, I got
once you start
variable.
sawing,
Oh
I only
God.
witnessed my grandfather saw with this one time.
Yeah.
Just trying it out. And when it's going through a good piece of wood, it makes it bark.
Yeah. Wow. So much lost technology.
Yeah. I couldn't imagine having to saw wood all day with something like this, though.
Right.
It'd be worse coming
It's
up
nice
with
to
it.
have a car by tips now.
Yeah. It's also nice not to lose your arm very easily.
Yeah.
It's still dangerous today, but it's a lot more dangerous now there, you know.
Oh, you're keeping in good shape for your family. That's
Yeah, well, all these stay in the garage. Always have, all my life.
These don't smell like oil though.
Oh yeah, there was, yeah, I guess we'd have to look up like the first car. It didn't even look like a car. See, it looked like a carriage and it had like a stick. Carl Benz found the three-wheel motor car, the motor wagon.
Good looking stuff, guys. They've all pimped out, huh? Like the copper exhaust. Oh yeah. All right, thanks. Yeah, now I know this is a high-speed governor here, Steve. This thing here.
Yeah, there's a Mogul or something up there. But this is just a little 1 horsepower Mogul. Mogul Junior is 1 horsepower. And there's one in the pre-30s. Yep. And and then one's in the pre-30s. It's all written all. He's got a bad day. Right. I'd sell you that one. I want to step up and over. I don't know about the other one.
1937 or 38 Montgomery Wards.
Oh wow, and it's for charging what, 12-volt batteries?
Oh, 6 volts.
6 volt. Oh yeah, I guess at the time.
Yeah.
Got a kickstart to it.
Yep, kickstart. Carrying handles.
Oh my god.
So, you know, they make it portable so you can pick it up and lug it around.
And it's gasoline driven.
Yes.
Right?
Gas tank is here.
And how long would a tank last?
I would probably about 12 to 14 hours.
Really? Charge your 12-volt batteries up?
Yeah, you could do 12 volt.
Oh, I'm sorry, 6 volts. Yeah.
Right.
Jeez. Wow. I think that's the only one I've seen here.
Yeah, there's not too many around. I talked to a guy from Pennsylvania that had the same unit with a single charge, with a single generator on it, but he'd never seen one with the double.
Yeah.
I've had a couple of the engine, but this is the only complete unit.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. What the hell were they thinking with air cool? Water cool is 25 times more efficient. Oh my god, look. Air cooled. They have a fan built into the pulley to help cool it.
What's that? What you saying?
It's an air cooled engine instead of water.
Right.
So this is a fan
Oh yeah.
built
yeah.
into the. Oh my God! Somebody was freaking thinking in 1909.